He's looking into... What do you say we get together at the usual joint? Talk things through. Figure out a way to put this to bed before it gets out of hand. Trust me, have I ever steered you wrong before?
I ain't fought in 18 months. I'm stepping into the last minute. I only got 2 weeks to train. But the outcome ain't in any doubt. See, I ain't leaving nothing to chance. He may be the #1 contender, but his career ends tonight. You just make sure the ref knows to look the other way, because this ain't gonna be pretty. But once it's done, once you collect your debts and your bets, I get my shot at the title.
To my lawyer, but just to be clear, can you please tell me precisely how much debt my wife has accumulated? Do you happen to know if our life insurance policies are fully paid up? No, no. I can assure you, I'd never, ever think of taking such a course of action. No, I just want to make sure that our affairs are, in order.
I have been watching. I have seen each and every one of your misdeeds. I know who you are. But questions remain. Why do you do the things you do? Do you not see the futility of your tiny, insignificant existence? You are but fragments of a bigger universe. Your sins serve only as an invitation. An invitation to an evil beyond your imagination. I'll lead the way. I will show you the path. Only through me, the Shadow Man, will you find your redemption. You bear the mark. You are cursed. You must place your hand upon the stone.
I can hear you. Jeez, are you the one I saw in my dream?
At least I know what's in store for me.
What's wrong with your face? Nowhere.
Already corrupted this world with their twisted malfeasance. You are chosen. You are marked. You are cursed.
I think we should listen to him. Really listen to him. That's magic. Oh my, you really have made a mess. It's a little too close.
Only by invoking the beast can you find the items you need. You must explore the unexplored. Your world, as it was, is still here. It's shifted slightly, wrenched from its rightful place. Many of the souls who inhabited it have succumbed to the darkness. They are echoes of themselves, trapped in a fractured shadow of reality.
out there? Whoever was talking to us a minute ago, can you at least tell us what the hell is going on? Be gone, owl creature.
Double points!
Yeah, I wish I could harness these most magic of spells. It's getting angry. What sorcery is this?
I know I've achieved something today.
You have blood on your hands. It can cleanse. Your sins have allowed to tear their way into your world.
What would you have us do?
Only another sacrifice will set their appetite.